Be really careful while choosing water paintings as feng shui wealth cures. Hi, this is your Red Pilgrim sharing today some important tips for choosing feng shui water paintings to use as wealth cures. Today we see in every home large expanses of water, huge paintings that show overflowing water, which is not a very good feng shui. You have to choose. And today I'm sharing really important practical tips for choosing and buying feng shui water paintings to be used as wealth and career cures. You must always avoid very large sized and overpowering images of water flowing, because it is a feng shui cure. They say yes, it will attract loads of wealth, but it has an overpowering energy which will harm all the sectors of your home and even relationships. So while water in feng shui symbolizes wealth, here I am sharing how you will choose water paintings according to feng shui. When you choose water paintings, see that the strokes are smooth flowing, gradual and continuous flow, no breaks. We don't want erratic flow of wealth. Water falls in feng shui must not be angry, violent or scary, and the environment must not be fearful. Water must be clear and natural and not muddy or black. Water tankers in paintings should be avoided. You can choose natural springs of water flowing. That is good feng shui. And never display very large paintings of water in any form. There are also some paintings of water reservoirs, like a waterfall with a base at bottom. That is symbolically good, as water accumulated is good if it is clean. Waves of water. Waves must not be erratic, they must be smooth, and always hang such paintings with the flow in the direction coming towards your home. Never display water paintings in bedroom. They are very harmful. You can also display fish paintings. Fish in water symbolize immense good luck according to feng shui, especially the golden koi of wealth. And always remember that when you are displaying water paintings, never display it behind your back wherever you're sitting. Such moving energy is not good for any business or individual. Never display water paintings behind your back. Now when you're choosing waves also, remember in feng shui, we have an up and down movement, which represents water element. You can also have circles. Circles represent wealth in feng shui. Now, what more is there in the painting is also very important. Like when you have water, you see boats, you may see plants, fruits, or so what more is available in the painting? You do have to focus on that also. The other elements in the feng shui painting are also very, very important to bring you wealth, luck. So when you choose a landscape painting with water, you have to be careful of what else is seen with the water in the image. If it's a boat, a ferry, a good luck ship, then it is very good. It must be bright and colorful and not stormy or dark. In feng shui, the lucky ship or the golden ship paintings are very famous. So when you are choosing a water painting with a ship or a good luck ship, so choose the ship in golden color that will bring more wealth, luck. Always choose symbolically blue waters. Blue is also a feng shui color to activate north luck. It will also bring career and opportunities luck towards you. When you are choosing landscape paintings, see that the sky is of a bright color and not stormy. Choose the waves that flow towards you. Choose symbols that are indicative of wealth flowing towards you. So avoid bizarre paintings of water. And I know we love water with colors, but feng shui masters have always focused on clarity. So for the energy push and the career luck, feng shui water paintings and good luck ship paintings are really very auspicious when hung in the north sector. You can also hang this in the prosperity sector. Avoid water paintings near the door as they are indicative of tears. Feng shui element of water is a very powerful element which when used judiciously will attract lots of wealth and good luck. And if such water paintings are hung in wrong place or are chosen with wrong subjects inside, then they will attract negative energy. They may wash away all your opportunities also. They may wash away your relationships and affect your life adversely. Hope this information helps you. This is your Red Pilgrim. Wishing you all the best. Bye-bye and do take care of yourself.